second bunch of heats this afternoon here at Pocono, and Sam did pretty well on his first 4 times around. It's his first time he's ever done this, so he's really enjoying it. So that was fun. We just did a lap with Sam in his car, and missed a couple cones, but hey, it was a blast. Good luck.
Hey, thanks, buddy.
Have some fun this time.
Thanks for everything. Not making any excuses, but I think I missed that gate. And I DNF'd because I was trying to show off for Dave, who was in my passenger seat. That would be the reasonable explanation. So you know why that happened?
Go ahead.
So the biggest thing you can tell an autocrosser is that I'm watching your eyes as you're looking around the course.
Okay.
You really got to focus further out.
Okay.
If you're looking, whatever, I guess it's just the way the human body works. They always say if you're looking at the thing in front of you, you're going to run it over.
Okay.
So you're looking one cone out, which is okay, but you need to start looking 2-3 cones out. And that's how you missed that one, is because you were looking at You were looking at the one you were on and the absolute next one, but forgot that then they didn't see the next one that was already out there. So your focus just needs to be a little bit further out in front of the car, so that so you can set up for those things.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? But otherwise, the level of aggression was good. The car was biting really well. I mean, it's just a lot of it is just a little bit faster in some things. Because I mean, the car isn't misbehaving.
Yeah, I am.
Right.